Composting is a cornerstone of sustainable gardening, transforming organic waste into nutrient-rich soil amendment. While traditional composting can take months or even a year, rapid composting methods significantly shorten this timeline. You can achieve usable compost in a matter of weeks. This accelerated process provides a continuous supply of valuable organic matter for your garden. It reduces waste, enriches your soil, and boosts plant health much faster. Understanding the principles behind quick composting is key to its success. Rapid composting relies on creating an optimal environment for thermophilic bacteria. These heat-loving microorganisms are highly efficient decomposers. They thrive under specific conditions, breaking down organic materials at an impressive rate. Key factors include a balanced carbon-to-nitrogen ratio, adequate moisture, sufficient oxygen, and consistent heat. When these elements are perfectly aligned, the decomposition process becomes incredibly fast. This allows for a quick turnaround from waste to finished compost. Several systems facilitate quick composting, each with its advantages. Tumbler composters are excellent for rapid decomposition due to their ease of turning and aeration. They keep materials contained and often reach high temperatures quickly. Another effective method is building a hot compost pile. This involves constructing a large, well-balanced heap designed to heat up rapidly. While it requires more manual turning, it can process significant volumes of material efficiently. The success of quick composting hinges on the correct balance of carbon-rich brown materials and nitrogen-rich green materials. A general guideline is to aim for a ratio of roughly 2 to 3 parts, brown to 1 part green by volume. This provides the ideal food source for microorganisms. Brown materials include dried leaves, straw, wood chips, and shredded paper. Green materials consist of fresh grass clippings, vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and plant trimmings. Avoid adding meat, dairy, or oily foods, as these can attract pests and slow decomposition. Size matters significantly in quick composting. Smaller pieces decompose much faster than large ones. Shred or chop all your organic materials into pieces no larger than 1 to 2 inches. This increases the surface area available for microbial activity. Use a shredder for leaves and branches, or simply chop kitchen scraps with a knife. Proper preparation is a crucial step in accelerating the composting process. When building a hot compost pile, begin with a layer of coarse brown material at the bottom for aeration. Then, alternate layers of green and brown materials. Each layer should be relatively thin, about 4 to 6 inches. Moisten each layer as you add it, aiming for the consistency of a wrung-out sponge. Do not overwater, as this can lead to anaerobic conditions. Continue layering until your pile is at least 3 feet by 3 feet by 3 feet, which helps retain heat. Oxygen is vital for thermophilic bacteria. Without it, the pile becomes anaerobic, slowing decomposition and producing unpleasant odors. Regular turning is the most effective way to introduce oxygen throughout the pile. For rapid composting, aim to turn your pile every 1 to 3 days. Use a pitchfork or compost aerator to thoroughly mix the materials. This also redistributes heat and moisture, ensuring even decomposition. A healthy hot compost pile will heat up quickly, often reaching temperatures between 130 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit within 24 to 48 hours. Use a compost thermometer to monitor the internal temperature. High temperatures indicate active microbial breakdown. If the temperature drops, it often means the pile needs turning, more green material, or additional moisture. Maintain consistent moisture levels. The pile should always feel damp, but never soggy. Adjust watering as needed, especially during dry periods. If your compost pile smells like ammonia, it likely has too much nitrogen. Add more brown materials like shredded leaves or straw to balance the ratio. A rotten egg smell indicates a lack of oxygen. This means your pile is too wet or not being turned enough. Turn the pile thoroughly and add dry, bulky brown materials to improve aeration. Persistent coldness suggests insufficient green material or too small a pile. Rapid compost can be ready in as little as 3 to 4 weeks, though 4 to 6 weeks is more common. Finished compost will have a dark brown, crumbly texture. It will smell earthy and pleasant, like forest soil. You should no longer be able to identify the original materials. The temperature of the pile will also have cooled down and stabilized to ambient air temperature. These are clear indicators that your compost is mature and ready for use. Once your compost is ready, it can be immediately incorporated into your garden. Spread a 1 to 2 inch layer over garden beds and gently work it into the top few inches of soil. This enriches the soil structure and provides essential nutrients. Use it as a top dressing for established plants or mix it into potting mixes for containers. Rapid compost is a powerful soil amendment that improves drainage, water retention, and overall soil fertility. It provides a significant boost to plant growth and health. Mastering quick composting transforms your organic waste into a valuable garden resource in record time. By understanding the science, preparing your materials, and diligently managing your pile, you can achieve excellent results. This method empowers you to create a continuous supply of nutrient-rich compost. Embrace the principles of balanced materials, proper aeration, and consistent moisture. Your garden will thrive with the regular addition of this homemade, high-quality soil amendment. Enjoy the benefits of a healthier, more productive garden, all while reducing your environmental footprint. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.